Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the maxed out level 40 Rajastega from Jurassic World the Game. Now, to start off with this, we want to begin with the eye. So starting right about here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down. And then I'm going to make one that just kind of goes down and up for the eye. Then I'm going to just draw a little kind of black dot in there for the pupil. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line, and then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down for like the eyebrow ridge. And then I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go out. It's going to go out, up, and then it's going to kind of curve down. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's just going to kind of come down, and then it's going to kind of curve up here for the mouth. Then I'm going to curve it down a little more, and then I'm going to draw a line right here that's just going to kind of go down like this. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this back. I'm going to go up, down, and then kind of up and around for the jaw. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up. And then right here, I want to take this line, and I'm just going to kind of bring this down to here. Now I want to add lots of sharp little teeth in here. So I'm going to add a bunch of sharp teeth that just go all the way down to about here. And then I'm going to add some that go right down to here. Then I want to do the same thing on this side. Draw some teeth to here, and then draw some teeth on this side. Then I'm going to make a little curved line in the corner of the mouth, and I'm just going to take this line and kind of curve it up for the tongue. And then right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line for the nose. Now, this dinosaur has like a little crazy kind of like fin, horn pattern thing going on up here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then I'm going to kind of curve it back towards the eye. And then I'm going to do this a few more times, kind of go up and down. I'm going to kind of curve it up and down. And as I start to get up, I'm going to start curving it back here a little bit more. So I'm just going to kind of keep curving this up and down like this. And then when I get to about here, I'm going to kind of curve it all the way down to here. I'm going to add a little curved line right here, just kind of show where the head is. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to go down, then up, and then down again for the body. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to kind of curve it out, and I'm just going to kind of bring it down here for the tail. Now, starting right here, their body almost has like another fin underneath it. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to kind of curve back to here. And then up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down to start the arm. I'm going to make a line that's going to go down here. It's going to curve down and up for a claw. Then I'm going to do that 2 more times for a total of 3 claws. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this back and then up like this. Then I'm going to add a little line right here for the rest of the body. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve back and down for the leg. Make a line that's going to go down and then come back for a claw. One right here, and then one that goes down and kind of curves up. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and it's going to go over. I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up to here. Then, starting right here, I want to make that other leg, so I'm going to keep it like really kind of far apart. So I'm going to start here and draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve up here. I want to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve out, and then come back for the claw. I'm going to put another one right here, and then a smaller one right there. And then I'm just going to bring this line up and over, and then bring this line up to here for the leg. Now I want to make that other hand over here, so I'm just going to make a line that goes down. It's going to curve down and up, and then just do that a couple more times, and then just kind of curve it back here. Then I'm just going to draw this line down a little bit, and I'm going to curve it back up to here. And then I'm just going to bring this line and connect it all the way to here. Now, for the fin on the back, I'm just going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to go down, up, and then it's just going to kind of run right along the tail to here. And then I'm going to have another one that just kind of runs right along to here. Then I'm going to add kind of like a little broken line that just kind of goes right around here. They kind of have that fin on the top and bottom. And then that's our basic shape. So now what we want to do is we want to add a lot of details onto here. So let's start off with some of the basics. I'm just going to add some little curved lines onto the toes here. I'm going to add a couple extra little curved lines on here just to show that the toes are kind of sitting in there. Add a couple little extra lines right underneath the eyes here, and a couple little lines right around the nose. A little kind of curved line around here for like the lip. A little kind of curved line here, and then some extra little lines right around here. I'm going to add some kind of curved lines right around the neck here. Then I'm going to add a couple extra little broken lines right around these little kind of fin shapes that they have. And then I'm going to add lots of quick little lines that are all different sizes kind of going up. Just kind of give it some detail and some texture on here. So you just want to kind of add those going all over. And then you want to do the same thing going down here as well. I like to put a little bit of a curve into them. Just kind of quick little lines, keep them close together. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines onto here. Some little kind of curved broken lines right around where like the knees would be. Put some claws on the hands. A couple little extra lines. I'm going to put some little lines kind of right around here just to show like some wrinkles where the arm could bend and move. Same thing on the legs here. Some kind of extra broken lines right around here. Sorry for the dog walking through. Then I'm going to start over here, and I'm just going to add some extra little lines kind of going along the back here and along the tail. Then I'm going to add a couple little extra lines right around here. Then over here, I'm just going to add a few more little lines right around here. Sorry for the dog on the table. And then just a couple little extra lines over here. And then you can just kind of add some extra little lines all over the place here. There are going to be some little spike shapes going along the back here, so I'm just going to add these kind of pointy little triangles all along the back here. And I'm just going to kind of put these going all over the place. And you just kind of fill up the whole back area here with all of these little kind of triangles. And then you just kind of add some extra little lines kind of all over the place on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Rajastega from Jurassic World the Game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.